They had all over mosaic. Now they covered it with the stones in there. And here it was channels with water that was rooted from the mountain all over to have water passing through.
It's like a canal. So this is very ancient.
I don't know if it's allowed there.
The creator or the palace who owns, well, the palace that was once here was owned by the creator of the theater, the Iridium Theater in Parthenon, where the 1973 Miss Universe was held, won by no other than Miss Margie Moran. I cannot step, no? I stepped. Oh my gosh, I cannot step. So this was once a palace.
It was like a mansion.
A mansion, and then overlooking Paralillo Astros. Oh, this is. So how many years is this? Ay! Huh? More than
Before
3,000 years. More than
maybe 2,500.
2,500 years. Oh my gosh. Let's feel it. Let's feel the 2,500 years. Oh la la. Let's feel it.
Look inside. Here they have.
Naku, baka kainin ako ng body ticks. So, why is there steels? Init? Ano ba yan? Sunog na akech. Sunog na sunog. But why are there steels there being rebuilt?
You see, even this, it was formed, huh? You see?
Oh.
It's still there, huh? They make design, everything. Like that, huh?
Oh, yes. Ay! It's moving na, papi. Okay, don't touch. I cannot touch?
You can carry it. You cannot...
I cannot bring to
No.
Japan?
Bunny?
Okay.
That's a crime, huh?
Okay. I'm a criminal naman eh.
And all this, where are you stepping now?
What?
Mosaic special, or as they were doing it in the past, you know, with the little stones, and they have design. But he said that they covered it now with this. So I don't know if before they have removed everything to put it in a place, you know,
In a museum.
Yes.
Yes, protected.
Exactly. Or if they
Which the Louvre will get. Charot. They will buy. No, they will steal. There. The Louvre, they steal, no. They don't return. Oh, so it's big and it's peaceful, oh. If you were the owner of this palace, full of, look at those olive trees, super thick.
Imagine how many days to come down here from Athens with a horse, no?
Huh? Horse?
How would they come down here? Or you think they were coming by the sea and then they would dock in Astros?
Oo.
And then the ancient
Horse talaga? Kawawa naman ang horse. My goodness. Sea then horse. And there is Paralillo Astros. No ba, Pino? Oh, we go around na. Feel it, feel. Ancient Greece. The origin of civilization, architecture, engineering, etc., etc. The start of human development. What did you do there naman, papi? Sunog na ang paa ko. Ano ba yan? So, ay, ito rin. So, this is how they build. Stones. And it's like, it's marble pa nga eh, oh. Oh, wow. Marbleized stones. And then they put clay in between. Uy, may mga worms pa, oh. Oh. Embedded inside. Oh, diba? Charot. Uy, marble, oh. Papi, oh. Marble. There's marble inside, ah. That's how they do it before. Walang steel. There's no steel, no?
Look at the base of the marble. Here there were big columns, ancient Greek columns.
Ah, oh.
Look.
That was stolen by the Louvre.
All these
Ay!
stones before.
Oh,
this was the support of the
yes.
palace, all around.
Ah, lala.
You had something
Look, oh.
like an
It's
ancient
inside
temple.
na, oh. Asa na? Ayan, oh. Oh. Carved stone or marbles. Katumba-tumba na.
You see how the land? Look, the land is higher, and all this
land
was covered. All.
But he told us that the water was coming from the mountain.
Yeah, there was a source. It doesn't exist possibly anymore. So back then there was.
Ayan, oh, yung mga ano, oh. Ako, tagal lang ito. 7 minutes. Ang init eh. Super hot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Go make a round to the ancient palace of the maker of a moat. Oh wow, like
Crocodile.
oh, impossible. There's no crocodiles here.
Look even down there. How many?
Oh, column. Ay, talaga may moat pala dito. Man-made moat.
Yeah, look, it's exactly rectangular, no?
Mm-mm.
All over.
So these are chambers.
Yeah.
Ganyan, no?
That was the chambers for sleeping. Look, the entrance there, no?
Oo, with marble. Ang laki ng marble. Opo. Ay, ayun na, oh, nagtumba-tumba. Ah, there were statue there. Oo, for sure, stolen, sold, and can never be returned. Yeah. They're at, in the possession of rich man somewhere, someone's house. Ay, okay, kainit, walang kahangin-hangin. Pakainit. Wala na, sunog na. Wala pa namang sunblock. Wala na. Ganun talaga eh. Wala pa akong dalang scarf. Sige na, huwag na tayo. At least nakita ko. Ganyan, no? Nakabaon, no? Yes. Oo, the deep.
How they make it, the marble, which is hard to form. Beautiful, no?
Yeah.
Not just.
Biro mo, 2,500 years ago, they had the knowledge. Ay, papi!
What?
I'm sorry, we cannot go beyond. Diyos ko, paano na? How? So this is the moat. Ah.
There was one little there. And maybe here it was.
Paano na? How can we go down?
Make around. Don't do that.
Okay.
When I get here.
Oh, sige na. We go back.
These are
Olive
chambers
trees.
also. You see, there's an entrance, it's a room, there's another room, no?
Yes.
These were rooms, no?
Okay na. I'm gonna room yun na eh.
And here, you see, they collected all the ancient stones and stuff. no?
Yeah.
So they can
Which
record.
we cannot bring to. O, sige na. Kami naman yung video naman.
Video what?
Eh, video me that. Welcome. Follow me. Let's go now. Good. Let's go home.